Hey there, everybody. In the summertime, when you hear that high-pitched whine, you don't know exactly what it is. It sounds something like this. And a lot of people wonder, exactly where it's coming from. Well, that's a cicada. This is the first time I've ever seen a live cicada. And to the best of my knowledge, they don't bite. They're relatively calm creatures. And this is the first time I've ever seen a live one. I wasn't expecting it to start shrieking, but yeah. Alien looking, freaky looking bugs. But very cool. Sorry I can't quite seem to get this in focus. I'm going to try to get it off my finger before it freaks me out even more. Everybody, say hello to the cicada. Ugh, that freaked me out. Ugh. I'm gonna cut this video short before I start crying like a girl.